I'm right here, guys. If you didn't see me in that, it's fine. I know I fit well in there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess what it is? Drum roll, please. Fashion Friday. Oh well, I messed up my whole intro doing that drum roll. I'm Jordan, and today we are doing a last minute pack with me because we're leaving in a day. So I haven't packed yet, but I do have everything planned out. I'm super excited because I'm going on a super special trip, and I'm so excited, but I'm not telling you guys where I'm going because I am doing a vlog on that, and you will see it later. But let's get into it. So this is my luggage here. It's a really pretty rose gold, and I love how shiny it is. And this is actually from TJ Maxx. There's some toiletries and socks and underwear, which I am not gonna show you, but on the back up top, we have some face wash, face wipes, deodorant, lotion, soap, toothpaste, a toothbrush, the really normal stuff you need for vacation and everyday life. But we're not gonna zip it up yet because we still have some room, a little bit. But now we're gonna be packing shoes. I have these super cute sandals from Walmart. Look how adorable they are. I love the sparkly bows on top. And I'm packing these because we are going to the pool. And I also got some Vans that are just plain white. I love these. I'm packing these because they are gonna go with everything. And then we're just gonna put Vans on top like that. So we still have some more space. So next I'm gonna pack my pool stuff. I am bringing both of the bathing suits I bought when I went on the bathing suit shop hunt. And I'm also bringing this super cute pool cover from Justice, and I love it because it's a flamingo on top, and I love flamingos. In here, both bathing suits, and then my cover up on top. I am bringing these two Ultra Squad books because I'm going to a really special party where the author's gonna be there, so I'm definitely packing these two. So I think that's really it for this side, so I'm gonna zip it up and start to work on the other side. Oh. So satisfying. Okay, not that satisfying because I'm messing up, but it is so satisfying. So now for the outfits. So for this outfit, I have a cute little scrunchie, and I brought this scrunchie because it matches with the flowers on this really cute Justice shirt. I love this shirt so much. And I'm pairing this shirt with these light wash overalls. I am in love with overalls at the moment, so I'm bringing these. Okay, so now time to pack it all. Scrunch, scrunch. So the next outfit we have is a red outfit with this super cute scrunchie. Looks like a bandana. And then we have this really cute Justice shirt again. I am in love with these shirts with the zipper. So this is adorable. And then we also have some jeans with pearls at the bottom. You guys have seen this before. And we also packed overalls just in case the weather changes its mind because it's gonna be pretty cold there. And boom. So for this outfit, we have a super cute Justice shirt. It's a blue flower shirt. This shirt is adorable as well as the other ones. And we also have this one just in case. And this one is also a flower shirt, so it still kind of matches the theme. And then we have these white jegging capris, and I love them. Hopefully I don't get them dirty. And we've got these two scrunchies. This one is for the second shirt, and this one is for either of the shirts. So the next outfit we have, it's not really an outfit, it's a pajamas because I'm going to a pajama party. And these are super cute. It says, "Do not disturb." I'm sorry, I couldn't think for a second. And then these pants are super cute with the panda, or not pants, shorts with the panda donuts. And these are the last thing we are packing. So I'm actually gonna stick all my scrunchies in my toiletry bag because I think they're too little to go with all these outfits. So I'm just gonna pack them real quick in here. Set that bad boy back up. And this outfit, if you're wondering why I'm not packing this, is because this is the outfit I'm actually wearing to the airport. I have just some regular black leggings and this really cute tank top. It's kind of like a chill outfit because we're going to be on the plane for a while. And then my swishy jacket that I love. I also have my big pink puffy jacket because I'm not sure how cold it's gonna be. I'm also just gonna bring one mini backpack for the weekend because I think it goes with all of my outfits and I just want to keep it simple. And inside my mini backpack we have my glasses, some headphones of course, my phone, and a charger. You can never forget a charger. And I also have, and right here, some chapstick. Never forget chapstick. I went through a day without chapstick one time and my lips, they were burning. So I have to bring chapstick. Ugh. This is such a struggle for me. There we go. There we go, Jordan. Yay! All packed. So on Monday, there probably won't be a Motivational Monday. I'm probably just going to upload the travel vlog I'm going to do, and I'm really excited to do it and share all the fun things I'm going to do out there. Oh, hiccup. So, oh no, that was a burp. Excuse me. I hope you guys had a fun time late packing with me. Make sure you never procrastinate like I did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.